Hey guys, what's happening? How to deposit in Vantage Market Broker. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead and log in using your account. You're gonna see your page, your profile right there. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just hit deposit. Alright? And start by depositing the desired amount into your account to initiate the process. Enter the amount and continue. Right? So you must actually verify your account in order to add funds, but essentially you can go ahead and select your favorite payment method. Right? You can add credit card, debit card, cryptocurrency, e-wallet, offline transfer, Apple Pay, or Google Pay if you have one. Right? You can also use Binance Pay. Once you select your method, and continue. Right? And then hit pay now, and you're gonna verify, of course, via Binance. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.